We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Wmcaps Bluetooth Beanie with a light, a unisex USB rechargeable 4 LED flashlight hat with cordless headphones. This product combines 3 essential features into one: a warm winter beanie, built-in Bluetooth headphones, and a bright LED flashlight. It is designed to meet the needs of people who enjoy outdoor activities such as running, hiking, camping, or working outside in cold weather. The convenience of having these 3 functions integrated into a single wearable item has made it a popular choice among users. The Bluetooth 5.0 technology in this beanie enables easy and quick pairing with any Bluetooth-enabled device, maintaining a stable connection up to 33 feet away. The built-in microphone and stereo speakers provide clear sound quality for both music and calls, making it practical for hands-free communication. Users have praised the sound clarity and the reliability of the connection, which allows them to enjoy music or take calls without the hassle of separate earbuds that might fall out or block ambient sounds. One of the standout features of this beanie is the removable and rechargeable LED light. It offers 3 brightness settings and can illuminate up to 30 feet ahead, which is particularly useful for nighttime or early morning activities. The light is powered by lithium-ion batteries that can be charged via any USB port, including car chargers and portable power banks. This makes it highly versatile and convenient for users who need reliable lighting in dark environments. The brightness and effectiveness of the light have been consistently highlighted by users who rely on it for safety during runs, walks, or outdoor work. The material of the beanie is another aspect that users appreciate. Made from soft, stretchable acrylic, it fits most head sizes comfortably and provides good insulation against cold weather. The fact that both the Bluetooth components and the LED light are removable allows the beanie to be washed without damaging the electronics, which is a significant advantage for maintaining hygiene and longevity. Many users have found this product to be an excellent gift option for men, women, teens, and outdoor enthusiasts. It has been especially popular as a Christmas or birthday gift due to its multifunctionality and practical design. The beanie's solid black color and simple style make it suitable for a wide range of users, and it has been well received by people who work outside, jog, shovel snow, or enjoy camping and fishing. Performance-wise, the Bluetooth beanie delivers on its promises. The sound quality is good for a wearable device, and the microphone supports clear calls. The LED light is bright enough to ensure visibility and safety, which is crucial for activities near traffic or in low-light conditions. Users have reported that the beanie stays warm and comfortable even during extended use, and the lightweight design does not feel cumbersome despite the integrated electronics. Regarding usability, the beanie is straightforward to operate. Pairing with devices is quick, and the controls for the music and light are accessible. Charging the components is simple, and the battery life is sufficient for typical daily use. The removable nature of the electronics also means that users can easily replace or upgrade parts if needed. Some users have noted the value for money aspect, mentioning that the beanie offers excellent features at a reasonable price point. It combines the functions of 3 separate items into one, reducing the need to carry multiple accessories. The durability and quality of the materials and electronics have been praised, with many users reporting long-term satisfaction. In summary, the Wmcaps Bluetooth Beanie with Light is a versatile and practical product that meets the needs of a variety of outdoor users. It offers warmth, entertainment, and safety in a single, easy-to-use package. Whether for running, working outside, or simply staying warm while listening to music, this beanie has proven to be a reliable companion. We encourage anyone who owns this product to leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to the product is in the description to support the channel and make your purchase easy.